Now let's return to the library homepage and review some options for logging into your library account. You can always log in through the homepage using the library account link, or if you're already in the search conducting your research, you can always click the sign in button at the top of the screen or the sign in button in the top menu. Any of these options will log you into your account, and I'll show you what you see. So when you log in, you want to click SSO. This will use the same username and password that you use for any of your other FIU accounts. I'll go ahead and log in with mine. And you will be required to complete the push authentication. This is standard across FIU. You'll then be redirected, but you should see your name up in the top right hand corner. My name is Griselle, so I see that I have been logged in, and you can access your library card, your loans, your requests, as well as your favorites and your search history. So if you make it a habit of logging in, you can always review the search history, so you can go back to a search that you did. Even if you forget what you were searching for, it will be saved. Or if as you're conducting your research, you find materials that you want to keep, you can add it using that little pin. It will be saved, and you can then always access it by going to your pins up at the top, or once again going to your favorites, where it will provide you with the list of resources that you have saved, as well as any searches that you saved. You can also save your searches using the pin at the top, or your search history, which you can always refer to in future if you've been logged in.